Back at it again with 5 fresh, low competition t-shirt niches that are trending right now, but not oversaturated yet. Whether you're uploading to Amazon merch, Etsy, Redbubble, or even your own Shopify store, these ideas can help you stand out and actually make sales. And who am I? My name is RJ Martinez. I've been doing print on demand for over 8 years, and I've personally sold over $400,000 in royalties on Amazon merch alone. Each week, I dig through data from Merch Informer, Amazon search results, and trends to find those underrated, low competition niches with just enough demand to make it worth your time. So if you're tired of wasting hours designing t-shirts that go nowhere, you're in the right place. Let's jump in. Let me give you a quick recap on how I actually find these niches, just in case you are new. I'm not just throwing spaghetti at the wall. I'm looking at what's trending on Amazon, Etsy, Redbubble, checking for low review counts, verifying search volume, and making sure there's buyer intent behind it. Then I double check that there are no trademarks attached to slogans or key phrases, so you're not wasting your time designing something that gets flagged. Bottom line, if it's on this list, it's been researched, checked, and chosen because I believe it has potential to sell. Now, with that being said, making sure that you always double check for trademarks and copyrights because that's very important. And let me show you one technique that I've been personally using to help me check that. I want to show you guys this how I'm doing trademark checks in ChatGPT. If you're not doing it, let's say if you don't understand it, I know when it comes to a lot of this stuff, people get a little confused about trademarks and copyrights, and that's normal. Okay, if you don't understand it, some of these trademarks or copyrights confuse me because I'm just like searching for it. It's like, do I even understand what's going on here? What is it? What does this phrase mean, or where is it coming from? And then you can come in here and just ask ChatGPT because it will search the whole internet for you, right? And this is the prompt that I typed in. Check these niches for trademarks and copyrights. And this is just another way of double checking for that, okay? And then I just put in the phrases right here. These are the niches that we're gonna be going over in the video. And you're gonna see the common phrases in direct designs, low risk, okay, which is really good. But then it popped up one, so it said forward good, but then the odd ship, it's a mom and daughter trip cruise. And it's telling you that this phrase is a play on words commonly used in a cruise theme apparel. So now, like it'll tell you this, it'll just tell you to concern, a little bit of a concern, but this one, it should be okay when you're looking at it. Like there's nothing you're not taking from anything or doing anything, making sure that you create your own unique design or just come up with the idea or just understand that it's selling and making sales right now. And then take that idea and see what else you can create in the niche. So that's the main thing too. I do these research videos to help you understand what's selling right now. That's like the main point. And then if you can go and create something cool in that niche for someone, okay? And then you're leveraging ChatGPT to help you come up with different design ideas. So if you like, oh, okay, cousin Camp, I want something like this. Can you give me 5 different t-shirt ideas? So for example, let's say right here, just click that. Give me 5 different funny design sayings for this. Okay. And then let's see what it pops up just to give you an idea. But you leveraging that and then coming in here, like there's so many different ways you can come up with different ideas. See? And then you can literally just say, as it's doing that, and then just copy that and then come back down. And this can be a whole different video, right? I'm gonna get into the research right now, but let's see right there. See? I was just grabbing this information here and helping us check for the trademarks, right? So this leverages, you can leverage this in so many different. Oh, it didn't grab that one. This can tell to grab this one. Oh, I'm running out. All right, you can literally just leverage this right here, and then boom, bring this back down now. Okay, so it seems to be good right there. So see how I did that, and let's get back into the video. All right, so the first niche right here, our ship, it's a mom and daughter trip. Now you can see they're using sunglasses, little anchor right there, palm trees. It's like vacation theme, and they have the trip. The eye is a boat. So just keep in mind different ways, different elements, different things that you can possibly do to take out a certain element and put it into the actual design itself. $16.99. Come down here. There's no ratings. There's no reviews. But if you look in the last 30 days, right here, this BSR chart, it's made its first sale. Let's look at the all-time sale. It made its first sale in 2025 of April, but look at that, it's consistently selling. And then you look at the last 90 days, you know, that's the same, right? Because it's 90 days ago, but let's say 30 days, made a sell, comes up right here and it drops down, and it means it's made a sell, then it drops down again, it's made another sell. It's made another sell, made another sell, made another sell. And that's what we're looking for. We're looking for consistency by looking at this BSR chart that shows consistency. And that's the main goal. If we see the consistency, that means that there's a demand and people are buying. We want something like this. We come over here for this long tail keyword phrase. You're going to see right here that we have a result of 275. And then here are the other design ideas. And then I came in here to ideogram, and everything that I'm using in this video is going to be down below in the description. Okay, from all the tools, everything here is going to all down below in the description. So right here, look at this prompt. This is the prompt that I typed in to create this AI image, right? And it does a really good job at this, by the way. Okay, so pause that. If you want to see any of the prompts that I'm using, you can go ahead and use them. Come over here, look at the other designs. So good stuff. Pretty cool. Now, one thing too is like with AI, when they're creating the designs, AI is creating the designs for you. Sometimes the wording doesn't get right. So keep that in mind. You literally just grab the elements here. You can either upscale inside of here too as well. You can even just remix the design and to create it as something else. Like if you like a certain style, you could do that too as well. It's a really cool tool to use. All right, come over here into the next niche is holy guacamole. So volleyball and avocado, holy guacamole, or whatever you want to say. So this is a really cool one, right? And you can see like the avocados going up to block the volleyball. 4.6 out of 5, 83 ratings, 24.95. That's a decent price point right there. It's up there. So just keep in mind is like when you see certain things like this, it's more of like you're looking at this and you're trying to create a design in a unique niche that no one else is in. And if you can do that, you can mess with the price point a bit and then maybe run some ads to it. And then when you're running ads to it, you can lift up the price point a little bit and start to rank. Or vice versa. Let's see what they did over here. We look at the BSR chart. Okay, we look at the all-time sales and see what happens. So it's made its first sell in 22.2, right? And what I was looking at is this BSR chart. And it's the BSR chart and then the new price, the listed price, because you can see that they raised the price in 23.3, right? It spiked up a little bit, but it stayed consistent. And that's a really nice one, right? When you see something like this, that price point, then it just drops down again and it starts to crush even more. Then it goes up again because they're messing with the algorithm. Then you can just see that it's consistently selling at that price, right? And then if we come over here, holy guacamole volleyball t-shirt, we have a result of 238. And if you can see like the next one behind it, there's another one. You can see that type of design. It's 305 BSR, 292 BSR, and some decent BSRs right here. Then we went over here into the ideogram.ai and you can see the prompt that I typed in right here. Now, one thing is like with this, the image generator, like you probably have to try it one more time with this, but showing an example, it's like it did it. If we need this avocado to be behind the net, so you can actually be blocking it. So if you just put this guy right here behind the net, or maybe try to regenerate another image, you could probably get it, but we want to make sure that we have it behind the net and make sure. So let's do this right here. Make sure the avocado is behind the net. Let's see if that happens, if that works. Regenerate. Okay. And then keep in mind too, with the prompts, like you're talking to it, right? You're wording it in a way to have it create the design for you. Keep that in mind. So there it goes. All right. It's a little better. But I think we want to put the hands, so like even so, and the hands are blocking the ball. Took again. It did the 6.9. I don't want the 6.9 there. And then also too, the size, make sure you have it by the 4.5 because it's more like a t-shirt style design. Go ahead and hit regenerate again. Somewhat okay. That just goes to show you sometimes there's certain things that can't be done. This is why I personally have artists on my team to help me with certain things like this that AI can't create, but they can take the concept and get the inspiration and do it that way too as well, which is really cool. All right, so you got that idea, got the concept. Let me move on to the next niche. Next niche is funny patriotic chickens. All right, this is a really cool one. You can see the red, white, and blue that they did right here with the chickens, right? The style of the flags, got fireworks going off in the background. No, don't forget the little detail stuff like that, because when it comes to the detail stuff like this is important. This can make all the difference and help you standing out in your niche with your competition, right? There's always, especially with Amazon, there's a lot of competition, especially wherever there's money to be made, there's always going to be a lot of competition. Keep that in mind. But then the research process and understanding what you're creating is going to make all the difference, and like in the world and for you as making your first sale on the platform, right? So we see that right there. It's a really cool design. The chickens are cool. They're really cool. 14.90, 50 bought in the past month. If you see that, let's go ahead and check out the all-time sales when it's made its first sell, April, right? Which is a really good sign. But look at that downward trend. Okay, so if we look at the last 30 days, you can see that right now. Let's go to the last 7, right? You can see the sales velocity that's kicking off right here. It's going down like that. You want more of that. When it comes to anything like this, you're looking at the BSR. Okay, it's funny. So chickens and the USA flag, 4th of July. Chickens and 4th of July seem to be a very popular niche right now. And you have until, what, another month to design for something like this. And you still have time because there's people buying, there's demand right here, right? It's not too late. I say we'll get too late when you can't ship the actual product no more. But if you create a really cool design, it can definitely make sales, right? And especially a lot of people searching and buying, there's a buyer intent right now. So keep that in mind. So you design like 90 days out, but if you see something like this, like something like this, it's definitely a good idea. Okay, and if we come over here, funny patriotic chickens, USA flag, 4th of July, we have a result of 290, and you get an idea. Look at that's a cool one too as well. You can see the other chicken USA flag, 4th of July style designs. Now we come over here, you can see the prompt that I typed into ideogram. Okay, right there. Happy 4th of July. Pretty cool. Happy 4th of July. Did a really good job. There's some cool ones here. Some cool chickens. This one's a cool one too. A cool one. All right, next one. Cousin Camp 2025. See what they put the O right there, right? They put some sunshine right there, which is really cool. It says summer family vacation, campfire. See what they did there. And cool design. Text, simple text. You know, that retro style, rustic look. And then with the little sun, $15.99, come down. They say the last, what's it the all time? It's first sale last month, 5/15, right? May 15th. And then you look at this, a downward trend right here. It's selling and making a good amount of sales. And it seems to be trending a bit, okay? It's just staying down, but it's sold within the last 30 days and it's selling consistently and staying low, which is a good sign. Okay, so last 7, you can see it sold a few times. Okay. And come over here, we have a result of a 272 Cousin Camp 2025 Camping Family t-shirt. And then if you come over here, you can see the BSRs on the other ones. This niche seems to be doing pretty good when it comes to the niche as a whole, which is really cool. So summer too, especially summer. Come over here, you can see the prompt right there. Okay. All right, Cousin Camp 2025. This is pretty cool. Everyone's doing some marshmallows around the campfire. Pretty cool. Cool one. Cool one. It's a nice one. It's a cool one too. That's a nice one. All right, next idea. We got some zoo animals blowing some bubbles. Birthday party at the zoo, it seems like, right? Or a birthday theme party for zoo. Get some different animals in here. Okay. The sunglasses. Pretty cool. 4.4 out of 5, 26 ratings, 100 bought in the past month, 1538. Come down, let's look at the BSR. The last 30 days, looks like it's doing some damage over here, right? Consistently selling all time. Let's look at the all time. All time at 2024 minutes first sale, but consistently making sales. All right, goes up, shoots up a little bit in the Christmas time, which is normal because maybe shipping times get pushed back a bit. And look at that, cranking. Look at the last 30. You can see it doing good. Last 90, doing pretty good. Okay. When you're looking at this, you're seeing the consistency in the sales, and there's a demand. Create a real cool design for this niche. Come over here, a zoo safari jungle birthday party kids 926. And you can see we have some other top selling designs in this niche that are doing pretty good. Now we went ahead and created a happy birthday, and this is the prompt. You can see the prompt right here. It's actually not a bad idea. And we got the animals and with the happy birthday. It's not a bad idea. This is because this one doesn't say happy birthday, right? It just has the animals in there, which you could take out the animals and take out the happy birthday if you wanted to. But this is not a bad shirt idea. You know what I mean? It's a cool one. Now, if this kind of research saves you time, imagine getting this every single week inside my top research design vault. I deliver a spreadsheet packed with low competition t-shirt niches, high converting keywords, AI design prompts, market trend insights, and design angles that are ready to use. It's just $10 a month, and it's helped so many people stop guessing and start uploading with confidence. Link is going to be down below in the description if you want it. And that is 20 unique niches every single week. Now, if any of these niches made you go, wait, that's actually a great idea, then you're already one step ahead of your competition. Drop a comment down below and let me know which niche you're going to go after first. I read every single comment, and don't forget, if you want to stay ahead of the curve, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out the Vault link down below in the description. I'll see you next week with another round of low competition niche research. And if you want more low competition niche research, watch this video right here. Thank you very much for watching. Peace out.